Hey guys, this is James, and today I wanted to show you the Stag Industrial numbers, and that would Stag Industrial has the ticker symbol STAG. They are a very impressive REIT or real estate investment trust that I think everybody should add to their portfolio. Here a little bit later I'll show you their overall annual growth, and it's been very impressive over the last 10 years. But before we get to that, I wanted to show you a few things. So what they do, they are a they own single tenant industrial properties, and I believe the majority of the industrial properties they own are Amazon warehouses. And you can see some of the numbers here. They aren't the biggest REIT out there. Realty Income Corporation has a little bit more impressive numbers, but Stag Industrial is nothing to bat your eye out. They have some very impressive growth and a pretty decent monthly dividend as well. They are in 40 states in the United States, and they have about 517 buildings. And right now on the New York Stock Exchange, their price is sitting at $45.08 as of December 2021. Let's go over to my public profile, and Stag Industrial over the past year, it has grown from about $30 per share up to about $45, which is a very impressive 50% growth over the past year. Over the past 5 years, they have grown 142%, which comes out to be about 25% per year. If we go over to NASDAQ.com, and they even have a larger range information from the New York Stock Exchange. They started in around exactly 10 years ago. The information they have, it says $11.40 all the way back to December 2011, and you can see from $11.40 it has grown to today to $45.08. That's a very impressive growth. If we go over to my dividend calculator here, we can see over the past 10 years from that NASDAQ number, December 2011, we go back to here, December 2011 right here, $11.40 all the way up to $45.08, comes out to be about 309% over the past 10 years. Now, that's an average annual growth. If you take all of these numbers, that's about 37% annual growth per year, which is very impressive. And then according to NASDAQ.com, this is where I got my dividend numbers here, and I'll click over there and show you that. So at $45.08 per share, you have an annual dividend of $1.45 paid out to you in monthly installments. So that would be about 12 cents a month for owning one share. And that comes to be about a 3.26% dividend yield. All right, so what are the numbers if you owned 1K, 10K, 100K, or 1000K? So your growth numbers, according to your market growth right here, you would grow if you every $1,000 that you had invested in Stag, you would on average grow $371 per year with an additional $33 in dividend payouts. So you're going to gain about $500 a year. That's about 40% of your initial investment every year. If you invested $1,000 and did not touch it for 5 years, if you skipped that next iPhone with the max amount of storage or anything that would cost $1,000, if you skip that, put it into Stag in the New York Stock Exchange, just downloaded public, opened a public profile, invested in Stag at $1,000 in 5 years, your $1,000 would be $5,000. And again, they do not have an expense ratio from what I could find because they are a REIT. They are not an ETF or a mutual fund. And then again, if you have $10,000, $100,000, or even $1 million, every $10,000 you put in, after a year, you're going to have 40% growth. So your $10,000 is now $14,000. So that is pretty impressive. If you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see different ticker symbols or different funds analyzed in this way at the $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, and $1 million levels, let me know. Head down in the comments and let me know which one you want to see. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and let me know if you are going to start investing in Stag. Thanks for watching.